Hey guys, it's Ask Matt here. Shoutouts to Kenzie Girl and EuroFamily. You made the cut. If you'd like to check out their channel, the links will be in the description below. If you would like a shoutout in the next video, please comment, like, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you. What's up, man?
How do you build a snowman?
What? Step 1. Form a base. So what you want to do is take a little bit of snow and make, hey Simba, how are you? And make somewhat of a ball. Find a nice straight path to start to roll the snow. You see how it's getting bigger though, right? Wow. Do you want to build a snowman? Of course. Do you want to come and play with Simba? Holy crap, I'm tired. I don't know the words. How do you like it? It's annoying. You have the base. We gotta get the midsection. This needs to look a lot like Shakira. You know, like 5 years ago. I'm gonna attempt to lift this on my own. Alright, now that we have the second one, aka the midsection, what you wanna do is bend with the knees, firm grip. Oh, holy cow! That's it, it's just like that. Oh, I definitely pulled something. As you can see, we have assembled the head. Next step, we now need to just smoothen out the body. Get those curves going. This is like the Victoria's Secret model of all snowmen. So take advantage. Now, next step, we need to add the accessories. Let's start by entering the forest of Namahale to get some arms. This forest has many different traps laid out. As you can see, we've now stepped on sink ice. Beautiful. Like, literally the perfect arm. Snowmen only have 2 fingers. Why? Peace. Too long. Too much peace. We got one. Now we have to slowly and carefully insert the arms into our snowman. Next step, eyeballs. For the eyes, we're looking for the darker stones. There we go. Eyeballs. We want to use the same rocks for buttons, but we're gonna go with lighter so that it looks a little bit different. So we're gonna take guys like these ones. So the buttons will obviously be placed in the midsection. What you want to do, one quick, ready, set. Next, the eyes. And then, using a few things that you can find in your household, we have now completed our snowman. For the mouth, a spotted banana. For the nose, a pear. Good old trusty cowboy hat. If you don't own one of those, I seriously question your sex life. Last step, naming your snowman. Take a good look at your snowman. What did you accomplish here today? What do you think his backstory is like? Where do you think he came from? What does ours look like? Toby. If you're having
having problems at home and you're feeling alone, you can always ask Matt.